If you want to permanently delete your Zoom account, follow these simple steps to ensure that your account is removed completely. Make sure you have backed up any important information before proceeding. Step 1. Sign into your Zoom account. Go to the Zoom website and log in with your credentials. Ensure you are using the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access your profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section from the left-hand menu. This is where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Locate the account deletion option. Scroll down to find the Account Management section. Click on Account Profile and look for the option to delete your account. Step 4. Confirm your decision. After selecting the Delete option, Zoom will prompt you to confirm your decision. Read the information provided carefully, as this action is irreversible. Step 5. Finalize the deletion. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deletion process. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. After completing these steps, your Zoom account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so ensure you are ready to proceed before confirming.